Hello! Now today we're going to be talking about Crime City cops. Now cops are also the police, and what the police do is they always make sure that the streets are safe and citizens are safe because there's really bad criminals and sometimes they're very dangerous. Now when somebody is accused of doing something dangerous or they broke a law, the police become involved and they make an arrest. And usually within this arrest, they will tell the person they will probably go through a trial, the court system, and then so-and-so might get arrested and thrown to jail. So basically, police keep people safe from criminals, and if they have to, they will calm the criminal down by arresting them so they don't hurt anybody else. And from there, they will take them to jail through trial, and then that's it. So that's it on today's video of city cops. All right.